Renaissance Creative Arts presents From Tuscany to Tipperary, an online art instructional program and plein air oil painting, filmed in some of the most beautiful locations in Italy and Ireland, with your host and instructor, Jessica Henry.
We're at the Doolin parking. Alright, well once I found a spot where I want to paint, I have everything in my backpack. And Hi there, Jessica Henry here. Today I am in County Clare in Doolin, Ireland.
A quick little video on mixing water. You can see it here in the surface of this painting that I did a while ago. You can see with just a very limited palette too, you have so much range to work in.
Okay, I'm satisfied with that composition. I'm going to start now from the background and work my way to the foreground. How much of each to get the proportions the same. They're huge out there. And as you can see, I'm just painting the colors together. And I'm allowing it to mix with some of the other colors to have some variety and mixture into all that.